Gungun will not let anyone take her mother's place. Being her father, Mohan also knows this very well.
Shut up! Listen, you can never be my mom! Never, you get that?
I will defeat her this time. And she will have to leave this house. I won't go.
This wasn't done to bring peace in the family? Then tell us, what was it, Damini?
That was close. I could have got myself into real trouble. Ah! Does nobody in this house sleep at night? Who are you?
Who are you?
I am Radha.
I'm Gungun.
Really? Oh! You are Mohan and Tulsi's Gungun? Oh my, you are so cute.
Tulsi's daughter Gungun.
Yes, that's what I said. You are Mohan and Tulsi's daughter. Gungun.
Are you deaf? Can't you hear me? I'm only Tulsi's Gungun. I don't belong to Mohan.
Okay. Are you mad at your dad? You shouldn't say that. You look just like your dad. Those deep eyes and that round face and the sharp nose. And the same temperament.
Now I'll show you my temperament.
What are you doing? Hey, shooting someone is not good. Gungun, what are you doing? Ah! Hey, what are you doing? I said stop. Just stop. Stop, please. Dad, Grandma, Gungun, it hurts. No. What will you do now? Huh? How will you shoot me?
Gungun! Gungun, what is going on? First you were troubling Damini and now her.
So what? I will do what I want to do. What will you do? Will you hit me? Or will you kill me? Just like you killed my mom.
Gungun!
No, Mohan! Stop!
What are you doing, Mohan? She's just a child.
I'm not a child. I understand everything. He killed my mom. And now he wants to hit me. As much as you want, hit me. What you think you can do anything just because you're my dad? You are not my dad. I hate you.
Gungun. Mohan, she is just a child. Don't take her words to heart. You should go.
So that is why Mohan is so upset. He is hurt by his daughter's actions.
Have you left your brains in the village? How did you dare to hold my son-in-law's hand? To touch his hands, leg and head is the right of only and only my daughter Damini. Understood?
This is Mohan's house. Gungun is Mohan's daughter. She can do anything. Who are you to interfere?
You are daughter of a priest. That's why I let you stay the night. Otherwise, I would have asked you to leave. Just mind your own business, girl. Come on, go to your room now. Go!
Hey, girl. Okay, you can let Lord Krishna sleep on your bed. And you can sleep on my bed. But please don't step out of the room, girl. Come on.
Why did you turn away? Tell me. You should be happy that your daughter has taken after you. She too loves it when she causes me pain. She too thinks that the cause of all her problems is me. She doesn't want to have anything to do with me just like you. She says that she is only your daughter, only yours, not mine. Tulsi's daughter, Gungun, happy? Great! Great. One more thing. Just like you, she speaks her mind without speculating. She doesn't realize that her words pierce my heart. But she has taken after me only in one regard. She doesn't run away from problems, she faces them. No matter how tough the situation is and how difficult life gets, she won't run away even though surviving gets tough. She's not a coward like you. She will face it. She's not like you who decided to bolt at first sign of problems in a relationship. She has taken after me in this regard.
तेरी मैं बलाएं लूं, तुझे मैं दुआएं दूं, तुझको मैं खुशियों के साए दूं.
Tulsi! You want to leave, right? Fine, leave. But promise me that you will never meet me or my family. You will never show us your face or come in front of us. Swear on the relationship that meant more than my life to me. My family shouldn't be affected because of you. You won't be able to harm them in any way. Promise me that.
Why did you make me promise that, Mohan? I can't even touch my own daughter who is so upset.
Give her some time, Mohan. Children speak without thinking. Only that's why they are kids, right? But I'm sure when she grows up, she will definitely understand how much you love her. Let us get married first.
Why do you want to marry me? What quality do I possess? Just like Gungun, others also think that I am the killer of my wife. Others are not children, are they? And you just tell me one thing, what qualities a girl seeks in a husband to be? Tell. The first is that he should have a stable job, My business is run by you and my mom. Secondly, his future should be bright. My future is going to be just like my past. In the dark. Why do you want to be a part of this darkness? And more than anything else, any wife wants a husband to love her a lot. I will never be able to love anybody in my entire life. I don't have a courage to fall in love, Damini.
I will give you that courage. I will bring light into your life. You don't know about the power of unrequited love. One doesn't realize when others reciprocate.
Damini, you don't get it. You are a very nice girl. You will find many suitors. Why are you wasting time after me? I have a hearing in court tomorrow. I don't know what's going to happen. You must get married to a nice guy if I don't return from court. Please don't wait for me.
I found the one for me 12 years ago. Yes, he took some time to come to me. But that's okay. We are getting married in 3 weeks. You must start the preparations. The court will rule in our favor.
How are you so confident about that?
Mohan, when love is on your side, then how can destiny be against you? You go to sleep. Have a good night.
You killed my mom. You are not my dad. Mohan. How can a father be at peace after listening to such words from his daughter? I am a grown-up. But still I can't call him by his name. I address him with respect and Gungun says his name Mohan so easily. He was extremely upset. I wish everything was peaceful here. But everything seems to be chaotic. Aunt even asked me to leave in the morning itself. But you tell me, Lord Krishna, how can I leave Mohan in this condition?
Mom, I asked you to be careful while bringing this. Nobody should come to know.
But dear, it's a lot of money. Anyone can find it out. It's not like a small drop from the ocean. You are taking a small lake from the ocean.
It's a lot for us, Mom, but not for Mohan. Please don't worry. Nobody will come to know about this.
Oh my gosh. Help me, help me, help me.
Who is there? Ignore the fear and keep going.
The job should be done.
The job will be done. You please rest assured.
scared me.
Please forgive me, sister. Please forgive me. Sister.
What are you doing here?
Actually, I heard a noise, so
So? You thought it was a thief, right? There are servants in the house for that. You don't need to worry about it. Anyway, you are only here for a day. Eat, drink, and have fun. And then return to your home tomorrow. Okay?
I mean, I actually.
Look, whatever your name is. Tomorrow is an important day for us. Tomorrow is the final hearing of the court case. We are really stressed out, so please.
Tomorrow. Is tomorrow the final hearing of the court case? Can I please meet Mohan once? Just once he receives Lord Krishna's blessings, everything will be fine. Just for once.
Look, Radha, right? Look, I know that you wish well for Mohan. But tomorrow is an important day for Mohan, you know? And he's troubled because of you. He will get angry if you go in front of him. So you shouldn't come in front of him at all. So do you want him to be more upset because of you, tell me? Good girl. And good night.
Sister Damini is right. I shouldn't trouble Mohan anymore. Oh my Lord Krishna, please keep protecting him. Please take care of him. Come with me, come on.
Where are you taking me? Did you forget about last night?
Take them off. Today is an important day for your dad. Light a lamp for him and pray. Gungun, you know, Lord Krishna always listens to kids. Here you go.
Really?
Yes, take it.
Hello, Lord Krishna. I'm Gungun. I have only one request. Do something that will make Mohan go to jail. And he shouldn't return home at all.
No, Lord Krishna, no. Don't listen to her. You are so naughty. Naughty girl. Oh, Lord Krishna, she's a mere child. She's just kidding. You don't listen to her. Please, just make everything all right. Set everything right.
Lord Krishna, please send Mohan to jail.
No! What did you wish for, Gungun? Your father is...
He's a killer. He killed my mom. He should go to jail. I'm livid. By the time he comes back, I'll grow up and go far away from this place.
Gungun!
Yes, I am about to reach the court. I spoke to my lawyer, so you please discuss with him.
I know that you wish well for Mohan. And he's just fed up of you. So if you go in front of him, he will get angry. So please don't go in front of him.
Okay. Not a problem. Okay.
Now just do as I say. And cancel all the appointments for today. And reschedule everything only after consulting me. Okay?
Mom, why do you have to reschedule the appointments? I'm here, I'll handle them.
It's okay, child. Don't bother yourself. We can do this later, okay?
Why are you wasting your time, Ketki? We brother and sister are not valued in this family because our mom forgets that she is our mother and Mohan's stepmother. There's only one person in this family who's her favorite and the apple of her eye. That's our beloved brother Mohan. The rest of us are outsiders. Am I right, Mom?
Yes, you are absolutely right. Mohan is the apple of my eye because he is responsible. But a guy who sleeps during his brother's engagement ceremony should be called an outsider, right?
Perfect. Mom, we became outsiders the day we started being treated in an inferior way, despite being your biological children. We neither got your love, nor did we get any rights. And that Mohan, brother, is not my elder brother. That Mohan, despite being your stepson, got everything he wanted.
Yes, you are right. She loved me as her son, even though I am not her son. You are right. You have been wronged, right? Now take off your shirt.
What?
You go to the gym, right? You have a muscular body. Now let me see your well-toned muscles. Take off your shirt.
Mom,
And this? Take off your vest. And what do you do at the gym? You must be working on your leg muscles, right? Do you do squats or are your legs as thin as a rooster? Your legs help you stand straight throughout your life. Now show me your legs.
Wait, what?
Take off your pants. Don't you understand what I said? Come on, take off your pants. Take off your pants. Only the family members are here. What's the big deal? You get to stay in this house and wear these designer clothes. You drive expensive cars and enjoy the parties only because you are Kadambari Devi's son. It doesn't matter who her real son is. Important thing is that you are her son. And she is tolerating this because she is your mother. If you talk to her insolently again, I will throw you out of the house without your underwear.
Calm down. Please, forgive him. He's just a kid. Let's go now.
This was the least I expected. Today he made me strip off. I just wish that he goes to prison.
Shh, let's go.
Oh gosh, I also wish the same.
He has been accused of killing his wife. His own daughter hates him. His younger brother is jealous of him. The entire world looks at him with disgust. Oh, poor Mohan. Now I understood why he was sad and had tears in his eyes on such a joyous occasion. Oh Lord Krishna, I know he is innocent, and the way you saved the honor of Draupadi, today you have to save Mohan's honor too. You have to prove him innocent. Today is an important day. Mohan is leaving for court. I have to do something that helps him succeed. What should I do? I have to think. Curd and sugar.
Take care of everything, okay?
Yeah.
All set?
Yes, Shekhar. All set.
Bless you.
Look, I've made all the preparations. Now you must think before you speak in court. You please don't crack a joke in front of the judge, okay?
What about a gag?
Mohan.
See, you just need to be my lawyer in the court. As soon as you become a friend, we will lose it. See, I already had my breakfast. So, how bad can it get? I have to eat my dinner in jail. I will have it.
You are...
Mohan.
That won't happen. I promise. Mom, 1 minute.
Oh, listen. You need to sign some documents. Come.
Take what you want, but don't worry. Come. Come.
My beloved has come home. Thank you, gosh. Oh my gosh! What are you doing here?
Dulari, can I get some sugar?
But why?
My grandma says that one should have curd and sugar before doing something important.
Well, what important work do you have?
I have nothing important to do. Actually, today is the last hearing of Mohan's case. So I am giving curd and sugar to him. Everything will be fine then. That is why I'm...
Have you gone crazy? Didn't you create enough ruckus last night? Why do you want to face danger again?
No. I won't do that. I won't even go in front of him. You will give it to him.
Have you gone really crazy? No. I cannot do it. I cannot.
Dulari. What do I do now? How do I feed him sweet curd?
I have spoken to the priest. Until the court passes the judgment, he will pray for him at Lord Shiva's temple. The prayer should not stop. You are still here?
I have to catch the bus in the afternoon. Aunt,
Tell me.
this is sweet curd.
Yes, so? Eat it.
Ketki.
What happened?
Sweet
You
curd.
silly girl. I don't eat all this. I'm following a diet.
Ketki, this is not for you, Ketki. It is for Mohan. Oh Lord Krishna, how do I feed sweet curd to Mohan?
We need to take all the files. We are getting late.
Mohan.
Okay, let's leave.
Yeah.
We cannot delay any further.
Oh, I forgot my phone inside. Please go ahead. I will get my phone. Oh, Dan! Hey, do you want to make the ceiling fall? Who is playing holy with God inside the
Mohan.
house?
We cannot be late. Come on.
What the hell?
Glory to Lord Krishna. Now Mohan cannot lose the case.
Due to the absence of evidence, Mohan Trivedi is acquitted of the murder charges of his wife Tulsi Trivedi. The court orders his acquittal. The case is closed.
The court has acquitted you, but this mother will never forgive you for your sin. Your conscience will never let you live freely. You have committed the sin of killing my daughter.
Look, the court has given its verdict. And if anyone says anything to Mohan, I will put them behind bars.
Mohan, when I had lost everything in my life, this Bhagavad Gita given by you helped me find my way out of darkness. Perhaps, had you not helped me, I wouldn't be here today. I cannot thank you enough. But today, I think you need this Bhagavad Gita more than me. This is why, before I go, I am leaving behind this gift that is more precious than my life. Oh Lord Krishna, I came here to give this Bhagavad Gita to Mohan myself. But now that I'm leaving, can you please deliver this to him? Please bring back peace and happiness in his life and make his daughter Gungun love and respect him, please. And free him of the false accusation of murder, which is against him.
You will never get rid of this accusation. This mud on your face shows how malicious your soul is.
No, I did not kill Tulsi. There is no burden on my conscience and I have no harmful intentions.
You can lie to outsiders, but your loved ones know everything. Your own daughter thinks you are her mother's murderer. This is a mother's curse. You will never enjoy the happiness of being a father. The way I'm yearning for my daughter, in the same way you will yearn for your daughter's love.
Look, no accusations made as the case is closed. Now, if you say anything against Mohan, then I will call the cops.
Yes, so call the police. What wrong have we done? He is the murderer.
Look, the case is over now. It's not right to talk about these things.
He's the one who's wrong. He's got away after a murder. Now he's got the freedom to commit more murders.
If you don't stop this now, I'll put them behind bars.
File a case. We aren't scared.
What do you know?
Your own daughter thinks you are her mother's murderer.
What will you do? Will you hit me or will will kill me, just the way you killed my mom. You are not my father. I hate you.
This is a mother's curse. You will never enjoy the happiness of being a father. The way I'm yearning for my daughter in the same way, you will yearn for your daughter's love.
Where is Mohan?
What?
Mohan?
Mohan?
I heard he's a free man now.
The rich people never go to jail because the police as well as the law is in their pockets.
When the coat is in your pocket, you can do anything you want. He looks decent, but he's so evil. How can he do something like this?
Gungun? Gungun, listen! I have made an offering of milk to Lord Krishna. Come here and take the offering. I don't know whether we will meet again or not.
Oh, neither do I want to meet you, nor do I want this milk.
Gungun? This is an offering, right?
I don't want it.
Okay, I got it. Drink it as milk, not an offering?
I do not drink milk without chocolate powder.
Look, Gungun, please let me feed the milk to you. You will remember me because of this. I won't be here from tomorrow.
I don't want to remember you. Happy?
No! Gungun, I'm asking you to stop, please! Stop! Listen, this is Lord Krishna's offering. Please drink it. I'm telling you. No, Gungun. Hey, Gungun, listen to me. Drink this, please. This is Lord Krishna's offering. You should not deny. Lord Krishna will be upset if you don't have his offering. Wait, you have made me run so much. Hey, I will catch you now.
This is a mother's curse. You will never enjoy the happiness of being a father. The way I'm yearning for my daughter in the same way, you will yearn for your daughter's love.
I'm telling you, Gungun, I caught you.
No,
It's
I
God's
don't
offering,
want
Gungun.
it.
Please
I
have
don't
it.
want it.
I'm just saying.
I said I don't
Okay,
want
drink
it.
it as milk.
Mohan, where did you go, Mohan? Where?
Oh wow, wonderful. Huh? The court declared Mohan not guilty of Tulsi's murderous charge. And here Radha has also removed the mud on his face. Wow, Radha, wonderful. You have in person cleansed Mohan with milk. That's beautiful. I'm a big fan of yours. I'm so happy.
I am really sorry. I didn't see you.
Who? Who are you? I asked, who are you? You have been troubling us since you came here. You ruined the Havan, then you troubled Gungun, and now you... Who are you?
I am Radha. Daughter of the priest?
Who is Radha and which priest? Get out of this house and never show me your face again.
You should not leave the house like this, Gungun. Listen to me. Please. Is anyone here? Can someone stop her? Gungun!
She calls you her mother's killer every day. So what's new in it?
If because of your stupid smartness anything happens to Gungun, I will bury you alive. Gosh, no!